Now these usually don't stick around too long at Unique, especially in classics. Usually a pretty good seller for us. This particular one, 1967 AC Cobra Replica. Very authentic look with the correct 90-inch wheelbase. So you know it is titled as a 1989 Ford Replica Cobra convertible. 390 big block underneath the hood. That's paired up with a Doug Nash 5-speed manual transmission. And listen to this. This 390, it was built and bored to 60 over, approximately 450 horse in a car this size and weight. This car's fast. It'll get up and move. It'll also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. You'll see a close-up of these wheels. As you can see, the wheels match the side pipes with some polished kind of lips on the rims. And then, of course, the spinner, tri-bar spinner. Badged as 427 Cobra, 390 underneath the hood. Take a look at the interior, very nice shape. Simpson lap belts in it. Does have a Holley EFI, and we're going to get into that in just a bit too. We're going to look underneath the hood, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at the interior. Some of the things done in not too far past on this. A few years back, it was stripped and repainted and striped, so the paint does show well. It also has newer rear springs and shocks, newer MSD coil and fuel pump. Clutch was installed not too far back as far as that Holley carb, kind of about the same time as that. And then the rear end axle shafts also done a few years back. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. Look at these rear wheels. Paint down the driver's side also shows well. Nice shine to it. Some area, I mean, it looks like it's wet, as you can see in the pictures in the video. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. There are door latches on the inside, as you can see if we look straight across at that door. So let's go ahead and open this up. First class bodies. Seats do not appear to be that old at all. You can see June of 23 as far as when those lap belts were put in. It does have a push button start, and let's crawl in this. Check that interior out a little closer. We're gonna fire it up. All right, so turn your key on down here. Make sure we're neutral. Everything come on here with the EFI. Fuel pump ran, push button start. Oil pressure, tap. It is working. Fuel pump. Click that on. Electric fan, we'll click that on. Fuel gauge. Temp gauge, that should slowly start creeping up. Volts. Good sounding car. Let's get this hood open. 67 AC Cobra Replica. Remember, title is a 1989 Ford Replica Cobra convertible. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate on that when you call in, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.